This video will show you how to bind your API on ApolloBot for Binance. So if you have a Binance exchange and you want to bind it to this ApolloBot, all you need to do is follow the steps I will show you right away. Now on this home page, you just click on API, the second icon at the top here. Click on API. Now it will bring you to this page. You see different exchanges. So what we want to bind for is API. So you tap on bind here. Once you tap on it, it will bring you to this page. Now you can simply take your time to click on the tutorial. They have a tutorial at the top right here. You see it there. You can just tap on it and it's going to guide you through everything. All right, but I'll use that tutorial to make this video. So all you need to do is also open your Binance app on your phone. So if you don't have the Binance app, make sure you've already downloaded it. Make sure your Binance app is verified, and you can be able to use it. So also make sure that your Futures wallet is activated. For you to activate your Futures wallet, make sure you have gone to the Binance app, and on the overview side, you make sure that you have come to your Futures wallet, which is USDM Futures. The USDM Futures here. Beside it, you will see activate. You tap on the activate button and you follow the instructions to confirm it. So once that is done, then you can be able to start this API binding. Also, you can transfer some funds from your spot wallet to your M Futures wallet. To transfer that some funds there, you can just click on spot. On your spot page, you can click on the transfer button at the top here. You see deposit, withdraw, and transfer. Click on transfer. Then you just switch. Okay, it's already on spot. From spot, then you're sending to USDM Futures. That's what you select. Then the coin you're transferring is USDT. So you can now transfer some funds. What I have here is $2 here. I can just transfer, but better still, before you start this, you can also just buy your capital. So if you want to trade with $100, $1,000, $10,000, you can buy that into your spot wallet as USDT. Then you now follow these steps now to move it into your USDM Futures wallet. So once you have put the amount here, all you need to do is click on this confirm transfer. Once you have done that, your Futures wallet is now active. Then you can now go and start your API binding. Now like I said, we are going to create the API inside your Binance, and we are going to get an API key and a secret key. And we'll also copy this IP address, these numbers at the bottom here. We'll copy them and also save them somewhere in Binance. So let's quickly look at the tutorial. Now, for Binance users, assuming you're on your Binance homepage. Now, this is the Binance homepage. You see at the bottom here, you see this house icon. That is your homepage on Binance. So that is step one. Once you tap on it, you should be on this page. Then at the top right here, you see the more icon. It's the number 2 box here. So just tap on that more icon and it will bring you to a page like this. You scroll down, you will see API management. Tap on that API management and it will bring you to a page like this. You tap on create API. Once you tap on that, it will bring out this page for you to select system generated. Tap on system generated and tap on next. Then it will bring out something like this for you to name your API. You just type in ApolloBot. You can write in capital letters. After that, you click on next. Then it will request for you to put in your verification codes. So it depends on the verification settings you have put in. Is a number can be sent to your phone or email verification or Google Authenticator. So depending on the ones you have added, at least two will be required. Then you click on this get code first. For the phone number, click on the get code. A code will be sent to your SMS. You copy it and paste here. You then do the email verification code. Click on it. An email will be sent to your registered email on Binance. Then you go there and get the code and type in here. Then the Google Authenticator should be the last if you have Google Authenticator added. So you open your Google Authenticator, get the code before the timer runs out, and paste here. Then it will automatically activate this page and tell you that your API was successfully created. Once it is successfully created, it will take you to a page like this. Now, the first thing you will do before you start doing anything or copying the API keys is to tap on this edit button here. You see an edit button here. Just tap on it first. Once you tap on it, it will open other sections below this page that we are going to also work on. So now, once you have opened that page, the page will be looking like this. You will see the edit button will change to save, the yellow save button. Now, still on this page, you will see the API key showing there. Then you also need to copy it, but not yet. The first thing you do is there's this small arrow pointing down here. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will now show the secret key. So there's an API key and a secret key. The first thing you have to copy is that secret key. So once you copy, once the secret key is showing like this, first of all, copy the secret key, because for some mobile phones, once you leave this page, minimize it and want to go to another page, let's say you want to go now to the app. As you've copied that secret key, you come here and you paste that secret key here. All right, so you now go back to the API section. Then you now come and copy this API key secondly. So remember, copy the secret key first before you copy the API key. Why? Because sometimes when you copy this API key and you have gone to the app to go and paste it, by the time you come back here, sometimes for some phones, this page will refresh. So if your phone does that, at least you have already copied out the secret key. Then all you need to do is just copy the API key and continue what you're doing. So in that case, you see that by the time you come back to this page, this secret key would have locked. It would only be showing star, 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 star. So that's it. So you now copy the API key and go back to your robot and paste it here too. So when you copy that, then another thing you have to do here now, these IP addresses here, you must copy them and take them to Binance. Copy, click on this button, copy button beside these numbers here. Once you click on it, then you go back to your Binance. Okay, sorry for that error. Okay, so you go back to okay, this is where we were. So you go back to your Binance, and you continue. Now you have copied the secret key and the API key into your app. Now you have also copied the IP address of the app, and now you want to save it here. Now you now go below. You see that edit button that we clicked on initially. It opened these places here at the where you have to enable some functions. So before you do before you paste those IP addresses, you have to enable these functions first. Now you see enable reading is already selected already, so you have to first of all click on enable spot and margin trading. That's the first one you enable. Then you scroll down. Enable withdrawals is blocked. It's not allowing you to enable it. It's automatically blocked by Binance. Then enable margin loan is already blocked too. Now the next thing you have to enable is enable features. So you tap it. So this enable features is appearing now because we have already put in some funds in our features wallet. If you had not put in some funds or activated your features wallet like I showed you at the beginning of this video, this enable features will not be appearing here on this list. So now since we have done that, this enable features is appearing and we've enabled it. So these are the only two buttons that you must enable. The rest, just leave them blank. Then you come down to this IP access restrictions. The second option here, which is restrict access to trusted IP only, recommended, you need to enable it. Select it. Once you select it, a box will open here where you have to paste that IP address you copied from the robot on that API section. So those IP addresses, you click inside this space here where there is confirm beside it. Click inside there and paste it. Once you have pasted it, you now click on confirm. You must click on this confirm button. Once you have clicked on the confirm button, then you paste those. After you pasted these IP addresses like this, you click on confirm. As you have clicked on confirm, it will now seal up like this. So after it has sealed up, you now scroll back up to the top of this your API page. When you scroll up to the top of your API page, you see this save button. This save button that you open, it was previously showing edit, but now it's showing save. You have to tap on this save button. So as you tap on it, the option for you to put in your secret codes and all that, your confirmation codes that they'll send as SMS or to email or your Google Authenticator will appear. Then you will now send them to get code. You get the codes, put it in there, then it will now save this your API successfully. Now after you have finished saving it successfully here, you now have to go to the bot. You come back to the bot here where you have pasted the API key and the secret key. Then you now click on this import. Once you have clicked on import, the API will now bind successfully. So if you follow this process, you will successfully bind your API on Binance. Thank you very much.